Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on quick guide. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to buy USDT on your Trust Wallet account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to buy USDT coin in your Trust Wallet account, first of all tap on Trust Wallet application. Now enter your password for your Trust Wallet. Now you will be entering into the home screen of your Trust Wallet account. As you can see, several options such as send, receive, buy, earn. Now you have to tap on buy since we are buying the USDT. Now search on the USDT from the options available, or you can even search USDT in the search box. So as you can see, USDT available in the first option. Go ahead and tap on USDT. Now you can set your amount here, but always remember guys, you have to buy from third-party provider. So go ahead and tap on third-party provider in order to select the best rate. You can select best rate from here. For now I'm gonna go with MoonPay. Select as you like. Tap on next and it's done. Now tap on continue. Now all you have to do is enter your email in order to check out with MoonPay. So I'm not gonna do this in this video, but surely you can enter your email here and then tap on continue. Then you're all set to buy USDT in your Trust Wallet account. So this is how we can easily buy USDT on our Trust Wallet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.